And welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how I can replace this by Mercedes Benz W212, this mask grill. And this is really interesting part, and let's look at how I open that, and we can then replace in new mask grill in here if we like to purchase. But this is really plastic, and let's go to look at how I open that. And this opening happens so that I have to remove this upper plastic cover, and this opens so that there are those sides, these clamps, and I have to open those first. Okay, and I need flathead screwdriver, and there is really plastic, this part in here, but I need to little bit bend in here, in carefully in that way, and then this part opens. And let's look closer. Okay, and there's really this plastic, this clamp, what I need to little bit bend in that way, and then it opens. Then it is like now in position. I little bit bend that, and then it opens. And same in that another area, we have similar part. And in this another area we have similar part, and I little bit bend that, and I move this part away. And then we have this this bonnet and hood opening cable, and we have in here this bonnet and hood opening cable what I need to open in that way, and I need to remove that in these positions little bit in that area. We can see this cable, and this cable is like in these slots, and when I remove this my cable in that way, it is easy to take out. Here is this final part of this cable. I little bit move, and now cable is free, and then I can move this plastic cover, and now I can move this my plastic cover in this way and in this direction, and then there are two of these connection points in this area and this area, and let's look those. And now when we look in that area, there are those joints, and again flathead screwdriver and little bit bend, and then lift up in that way. Now it opens, and also this another side, and this another side also in here. A little bit bend, and I pull out that carefully. I use my flathead screwdriver. Okay, and now this cover, it is free, and we can see that there are those clamps what I have to open in here, and also in that area in here. And this keeps that one, and also in here is one, and one in here, and that one, and that one. We have to open all of these. Okay, good. And now this my plastic cover is free. And then I need 10 millimeter socket, 10 millimeter, and 10 wrench. And in here we have 10 millimeter bolt, and I open that bolt in this way, and we can look that closer. And there is this bolt. I remove this bolt, and there is bolt, and then this part is free. This our mask grill is almost free. Then we have to check in the sides, and there is one plastic part what I need to lift up in that way. But let's check this area. This is our trick in here, and when I pull out this, there is this plastic pin, and also in another area also there is also similar plastic pin. Look up in that way, and now this grill is almost loosened. Okay, and now when these up areas are free, then I can move that carefully out, and there are two these small plastic holders in here what we have to open. Then when we look in that this area in here, we can see that there are those small these plastic holders in this part what is in my it's free, and we have to carefully take these parts away because otherwise they can damage in here, this part and that one in here. Good. There is really in this down area there is this plastic holder, and we have to little bit carefully open these because otherwise these part can break. And now this mask grill, it is free in there. Okay, and now this mask grill is free, and we can see this inner area. It looks like in there, and there is this outer area, and this is this inner area. In that way we can look this area in here. Okay, and there we can see this inner part, and there is really this holder, and we can see those all components. There is this plastic keeper, and then this holder part in here, and then Mercedes logo, and there is then that one, and then in this area, down area, we have those plastic holders. Very well. And then we can install new mask in back in there. You can see those holes where this grill goes in that area. Okay, excellent, good.